Well, hey folks, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to our broken 2020 Mazda CX-9. So it's unfortunate that I've got to make this video, but this is my first damage report on our CX-9. It has probably about a little less than 6,000 miles on it. And as you can see here, we've got a shattered back window already. Now, from what I can tell, it does not look like there was a rock thrown at it, or you know, really any external forces acting on it. It really just looks like it exploded. You know, similar to these sunroof problems that you know you've heard about maybe on the internet. So we're going to give Mazda a call and see if this is something that warranty covers. I hope it is, because this window doesn't look terribly cheap to replace. In the meantime here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of duct tape over it, because this is actually where my son sits, and you know, God forbid, I don't want anything to happen to this window and you know, him get sprayed with glass. So I'm just going to cover this window up with some duct tape, and may actually just end up moving him to the other side of the car actually. Alright, so I feel a little bit better about that. It kind of looks not professional, but you know, hopefully it'll keep everything in place, you know, should this glass, you know, shatter further and spray into the car. So again, we're going to see what Mazda has to say, but guys, let me know down in the comment section below if this has ever happened to you. Like I said earlier, I know of the cases of the shattering sunroofs, but I have never heard of this rear window shattering. So I don't know if this is a unique circumstance or if, you know, you guys have had this happen to you, but, you know, let me know down in the comments below, and be sure to stay tuned as we try to get this thing fixed. All right, we jumped in the Mazda. We're headed to the dealership, and we're gonna go see if they can make heads or tails out of this rear window issue, you know, spontaneously shattering, like you saw earlier. When my wife talked to the dealership yesterday, you know, they said that nobody had seen anything like that before. So I'm really interested to see or to hear what they have to say about that window. You know, hopefully it's covered under warranty, and hopefully we don't have to come out of pocket for a new window. But you know, that's what we got insurance for. So with that, let's head on over to the dealership and let them have a look at that window. Alright guys, so quick update for you. We just left the dealership, and that was a success. They actually looked at it. There was two people in the warranty or the service department that came out and took a look at the window, and neither one of them could believe what had happened. So they actually had to go talk with the service manager, or the warranty manager, who actually said that that window will be covered under warranty. So we got just gotta wait. I filled out the paperwork, you know, gave them all my information, and now just gotta wait for them to order the part, to get the part in, and then we've got to take the car back to get that window put in and installed. And you know, hopefully it'll only take I don't know, you know, maybe an hour or so to get the window installed. Yeah, they said that they had never seen anything like that, but fortunately, as I said, it's going to be covered under warranty, and we're going to get a new window, get that taken care of, and we'll be all set to go. That window is covered under warranty. So if you guys by chance have your window shattered, you know, by you know, some outside forces, you know, or some random act of who knows what, you know, take it to your dealership. It may be covered under warranty like ours was. With that, guys, I'm going to end the video here. I appreciate you checking in. Thank you for your support. And as always, I look forward to seeing you on the next one.